Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll go through some printing tips in Excel. So my goal is to print this budget template and fit it to one page. Now you observe that even set to 100%, I'm not able to see all the columns in this budget template. When you want to print in Excel, it's normally best practice to highlight the area you want to print. So in this case, I want to select the entire budget template. And when you've highlighted the area, you get a lot of the printing options under the page layout tab. So after selecting the area, you go to print area and you click set print area. So by clicking set print area, you are loading the defined area into the print settings. The second thing you need to determine is the orientation of the page. So because this stretches to the right, it is best to fit this on a landscape. So orientation is under under page layout. And you go to orientation and you place this under landscape. Now we are closer to what we want. To see how it will come out, you can press Ctrl P. Ctrl P will give you a print preview. Now you observe that instead of one page, we have this spread into 4 pages. So let's come back and then fit this to one page. You can do this by setting the width or height. It's normally set to automatic, but we want to fit the width, that is the movement from left to right, to one page. So you come here, you click one page, and the height, the part that is going down, you can set it to one page. If you want the area to go beyond one page, you can choose these from here. So I have one page. Now at this point, when I press Ctrl P, I get this in one page. Now, there are some further bells and whistles you can add, and all these are here. When you go here, you see a launcher for page setup. When you click there, most of the options are here. For the page settings, portrait and landscape, you can set them here. Now, when you come to margins, you have options to center your print area properly. I'm going to center this horizontally and vertically. You can manually make changes here as well. If you want to put in headers and footers, you can choose headers and footers. You have the option of putting in a custom or a preset header or footer. If you are printing several pages, you could also freeze a certain row to make it appear in all the pages by setting print area. So here you click and then select the row if you want to do that. So once I'm done, I'll click OK. My final preview looks like this. So here I can just print and I'm done. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our WhatsApp broadcast list. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. And visit our YouTube channel for all our old videos or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a good day.